Hey guys, Blackout Bill here with a special video just for you. Behind me is a lot of stuff. Some projects, some things. This video is gonna be how I'm building a shed, and the reason is for the boat motor projects that have been accumulating in my basement, making my work area an utter mess. If you're here for the boat motors and you're here for all of the cool stuff, stick around for the first 30 seconds or so. Let's get to the meat and potatoes of my main subscriber. We are cleaning out the shed and we're building the shed. I just wanted to show you what I took out of the shed to show you that I do have projects to hit for y'all. We have a 1920 or 30s. I went to my camera screen, went like this to zoom in. I believe it's a 30 or a 40 something water witch. This thing is cool. I'd like to get to that one day. Then I have a 30s Johnson. There she is. I actually teased that motor in a video. I don't know if we'll ever get them running, but it'd be fun to take all the parts apart, clean them up, make it look good. And then I got some crappy seized Mercury that I don't even plan on working on. I have a power tilt and trim for the boat project we're working on. And then this motor was running, and then when I went to go sell it, it wouldn't start. So I got a clogged gas tank. That motor's in good shape. We just got to fix it up and clean it. I just couldn't sell it because now it doesn't run. I have to take the gas tank apart and clean it up. That is all of my motors that were out of my shed. And then I got my work area's got 10 more motors. We're gonna do some demo today. That's gonna be fun. Here she is, all 4 square foot of her. And all of that stuff was squished into here. I'm hitting my head on the ceiling, you know, and I have it's just too small. It's time to upgrade. But first we're gonna trim the tree up, and then we're gonna get good old faithful Sledgy over there, do some demo. Stay tuned, we'll build up a new one so we can get to these projects and take care of y'all. Breaking ground on demo day.
Oh God. Wait. Wait, Dad, you're gonna break it?
I've always wanted to do this.
Oh shit.
Are you ready?
Go.
Yeah.
Ah!
Daddy's excited. Daddy's excited. God. Dad, you always wanted to break stuff?
And that's all the energy I have for today. We'll see you next time.
Then you break it.
That's the idea, pal. Ciao.
Then you
Holy
break
crap.
it.
Ciao.
Watch out. Daddy's breaking down the shed because Daddy's gonna build a bigger and better looking one.
So it doesn't look like poop. Yeah.
Oh God. Yeah, you look you don't look like you're getting too far. That's a pretty tough shed there, buddy.
Daddy's happy.
Daddy's happy? Daddy's stuck now. Wait, I need this for.
This is how small the
Ooh! Half a wall.
don't know. He said you just smacked him. I don't know. He said you just smacked him. Whatever. I don't care.
That wall. Pressure in me here. Right? Oh, you got it, Billy. Daddy, go boom.
There's our sled.
Get on there. Screwdriver, I found it.
I'm looking for.
I was hoping that would happen.
Good job, Dad.
Good job, Dad.
I wish I had a friend in me, or a friend at all. Friends would make this so much quicker. All I want to do is work on boat motors. That's all. Y'all might be wondering, how come you're filming this and not your boat motor repair? Well, just for some reason. You guys are live and in charge, because I'm not doing this twice. I already did it 6 times. I only filmed 2 of it. Like how Bill decided to build a shed.
Hey!
And this takes up all my time now, because I'm by myself. How does it look? I'm building a shed, 12 by 16, all by myself. Didn't film it because there's 3 or 4 YouTube videos that I'm watching currently on how to build a shed, because I don't know how to build a shed. I didn't know how to fix boat motors. YouTube's a wonderful place. So we're gonna get to work on that. We're picking up a new motor. We're gonna work on that. We're gonna work on the Merc. We're gonna work. Stay tuned, and we'll see what's in store.